Hey, Eric, the Bearded Tool Guy. Scott, I'm at the Home Depot right now as we're speaking. You can see, there's the Home Depot. And I just picked up a brand new tool that just came out. There's not many people with this tool right now. Pack it in a big enough box. The new 4 18-volt subcompact brushless 4-mode half-inch right angle impact wrench. And it's half-inch. Let's see this thing here. I never unboxed a tool from the Home Depot. Right in front of it. Okay, your typical books, you know. You know the books. This is supposed to break 250 foot-pounds loose, supposedly. We'll soon see. Tell me I'm going to open up the other end. Nope. Here she is in all of her power and glory. Now, let us get a battery onto it. A 3 amp octane fully charged. That's speed. Okay. Speed 1. Speed 2. Speed 3. And auto. Reverse. Here is digital. Let's see how big it is compared to, oh, they're both, it's a little bit shorter than the Cobalt by about maybe 1 inch. Okay? Not a bad deal. Okay. There'll be further testing on it this week. I'm going to run the 3 amp octane on it. And for a crazy idea, I'll run the 8 amp EXP battery on it. And of course, I'm going to pit it against the Cobalt. Like I say, the Cobalt's just maybe half-inch longer. So, cool. I love this digital gauge. This does not have any speeds. None. You just squeeze the trigger on the Cobalt and you have to go. This, that's speed 1. Speed 2. Speed 3. And auto. Wow. Nice. And this is a half-inch. This is only half-inch because I got an adapter. This is going to be fun. Really fun. Here's the Bearded Tool Guy signing off.